Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You may know that plants can quickly improve mood. Studies have found that less than 20 minutes is enough to make us feel more at peace. In one experiment, participants who spent even 5 to 10 minutes in a room with few houseplants felt happier and more satisfied than those in a room without plants. There are many plants that you can keep in your home that will make you happy time to time. Today, I will talk about Aglaonema plant. Aglaonemas are often vibrant and colorful. They also have a strikingly patterned leaf. Because they are so easygoing, Aglaonemas are perfectly suited for a modern living room or office, dim bedroom or cozy study. I've been watching in the video till now that how my mom has showered the plant and how is she cleaning the leaves of the Aglaonema plant. The Aglaonema plant is an easy growing plant, but the most common problem cause of the yellowing leaves. It is caused due to improper soil moisture, in particular overwatering. Only water Aglaonema when 50% of the soil volume is dry. So, instead of showering your plants, you can also wipe your leaves like this of your plant. Now, the next part is about soil preparation. You can use coco peat or tea leaf with your high quality potting soil. My mom is not using coco peat, she is only using tea leaf to make the soil lighter and well drained. And this can also act as an fertilizer. Sometimes Aglaonema plant get attacked by mealybugs. Mealybugs are small white insects that feed on Aglaonema plant leaves and leave behind a powdery wax residue. So for preventing this, you must check your plant regularly. You must also cut all the infected parts of the plant, and you should also clean your leaves like this regularly. Aglaonema plants can thrive without fertilizer, but fertilizing once a month during the spring and summer growing season will help maximize their growth. My mom likes the rice water fertilizer the most. I hope you will enjoy this video and plant more plants like this and boost your mood. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.